to interact with people. One of the differences between training and teaching a behavior, or they receive a correction. Even if you don't give the dog anything, the dog is still receiving a correction. And Marvel here is only 6.5 weeks, and he says he knows Mom's trying to teach him around. So he just gave me the around, which actually was the very first time. And you notice the one thing that you do differently with learning is you accept even small increments. So Marvel will get treated for every few moments. In training, and there he comes, yay, Marvel! In training, we usually only reward the final. The benefit to teaching a dog how to learn is the fact that in the end, you are going to have a dog who will learn faster, and you can teach it far more complex tricks, and you can teach it back chaining, which is something we'll discover later. So you see, I'm not pushing him. So what's the difference? What's the benefit that you're going to get from allowing a dog to learn? The benefit is when I'm working a dog, I can be, actually, the farthest I've been is 1/4 mile, and I missed that one. I missed that one, didn't I? So when I miss them, I usually lower the criteria, and you notice he's confused now. He's touching my finger instead of the end. There we go. It's very important, especially when you're teaching young puppies, it's very important not to miss that one. Very good. So you know what I'm asking. You're going to give it to me? And I teach the around to young puppies because it is a foundation for almost every sport. He'll need to know around for heeling, for rally, for obedience. And I want him to come back. So that's about all we're going to get from Marvel today, because he's only 6.5 weeks, and we always want to leave a dog wanting more. Okay. So the around is important for all positions that your dog is going to do. The main thing that you need to focus on with the around is keeping your dog close to you. So here's 2 things that I want to teach you that helped me with Jackie get her to do around. She was a very highly excitable dog, and she really would rather run and move fast. So I started teaching her around by doing this. Jackie? Heel. Come on, round. And no. Yes. Around. Good girl. Now, the one thing when you're starting is always do a mixture of 2 to 5. So ready, Jackie? Around. Good girl, yes. Leave the cap. Good girl, come on. Good girl. Never stop just at one, or what will happen is you're going to have a dog who will only give you one. The same thing with the spin. A lot of people like to bring spin. Jackie, spin. A lot of people like to do one spin and then stop and treat. The problem with that is two things. When you're using your hand, it's too short if you have a big dog. The second thing is you're only going to get one spin. That's why I use the extension clicker. Come on. Spin. Then I can get nice tight spins, and I can get more than one in both directions. So I usually use a variety of 1 to 5 repetitions when I'm doing a trick. Another thing I do is I started by tossing treats through my legs. She would go through my legs, and then she would come around out front. Good girl. And then I'd throw more treats. So I'm rewarding her for coming around. So I'm getting the leg weave, the foundations for the leg weave. I'm getting the foundations for the peekaboo. Hi. Good girl. I've never really had to teach a peekaboo. Good girl. Okay. And what I use when a dog stops is go, go, go. Go, go, go. That tells them I want more. So those are just a few of my tricks for teaching a you're always looking for in trick and dance titles. Spin. And that spin. And you don't have to use an exaggerated hand movement. Jackie, heel. Oh, I dropped a treat. Okay, leave it. Heel. Good girl. And wave. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Yes. Yes, good girl. Yes, good girl. Yes, good girl. Yes, good girl. Yes, good dog. Yay!